Something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you.
Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through my full curly hair routine from start to finish. This is the regimen that has been keeping my curls shiny, defined, and most of all, healthy. It just makes me feel my best. It makes me feel like I can take on the world when my hair is done. If you're a curly, you just get it. I truly believe that a curly hair journey is something that never ends. Let's be real. I've been on my curly hair journey for a very long time now, and I finally feel like I just have gotten my routine down packed. And I'm so excited because this video is sponsored by Curlsmith, which has been a huge part of my curly hair journey. This is a brand that I love, I trust to give me the results that I need to be able to find the products that can cater to my hair and no matter what stage it's in. And they have just been a huge part of my journey, so I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Curlsmith, for sponsoring this video. Before we go ahead and get started, if you like videos like these, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on all my other platforms as well. And go ahead, grab a snack, grab a little drink, and let's get right into this video. I do want to start off this video with some credentials. This is how my hair used to look. I did start my curly hair journey back when I was a high school senior, but we have gone through a lot since then, as you can see. I was platinum blonde for about 6 years, which really damaged my hair and made me feel like there was no other way I could go. There were times where I really dreaded wash days and just felt so defeated until I found Curlsmith. I have shared quite a few YouTube videos and videos on my Instagram using Curlsmith and how it's helped my routine immensely. What I love about Curlsmith is their routines are so customizable to your specific hair type, your porosity, whatever your hair is going through, they literally have a product for it. So let me share with you guys my curly hair regimen, how I reset my hair, recharge, and just show love to my curls. As I get ready for my wash day, I always like to set the mood and just make it feel relaxing. I like to usually light a candle and turn on the water and just bring out all of my wash day essentials so it's ready for me. To me, this is more than just washing my hair, it's creating a moment of self-care. We are starting on day 5 hair. This hair is dry, it's frizzy and ready for some love. I start by fully wetting my curls before going in with Curlsmith's Essential Moisture Shampoo. And if you've noticed, Curlsmith has a brand new look. But don't worry, it's the same great formulas and the same results we already love. What's changed is just how easy it is to shop your routine. Everything is simplified into 3 categories: the wash day care products for your cleansing and conditioning basics, stylers for definition and hold, and your extra love treatments for when your hair needs an extra boost. To me, this is perfect. It makes picking products so much easier no matter where you are in your curl journey. What I love about this shampoo is how gentle it is. It never dries my hair out and it's safe for my color treated curls. It's packed with nourishing ingredients like sunflower oil and aloe leaf, so it cleanses my scalp while keeping my strands nice and healthy. One thing about me is I need my scalp very clean, so I really like to focus on my scalp first. I like to basically give my hair a little scalp massage, and I'm very intentional about it. It's not only relaxing and helps me de-stress, but if you didn't know, we are on a healthy hair journey over here, so scalp massages have been extremely important in my routine to get that blood flow going to promote healthy new growth. If you're also on a hair growth journey, incorporating this into your routine is a must. Once I feel like I've given my scalp a nice little massage and it's thoroughly cleansed, I like to drag the shampoo down to my ends, making sure every strand gets some attention. Then I just rinse it thoroughly. If I feel like my hair needs a little extra love, I'll go ahead and double cleanse, and I never worry because this shampoo is so gentle, so I know my curls are in good hands. Then I go in with the conditioner. This one really gives my curls a life. It just softens my hair instantly, making detangling so much easier. Like if the conditioner isn't doing this simple thing, why do I have it? That's why I love this one. Especially with my color treated hair, it's very important that I have a conditioner with slip. My biggest tip is to start from the ends to your roots when you're detangling your hair. It just makes the process so easier. Like, look at how my brush is going straight through my hair like nothing. My hair is already feeling hydrated, manageable, and refreshed. I love finishing with a cold water rinse. It really helps seal the cuticle, making my curls look shinier, feel extra soft, and just locking in that moisture. Honestly, these two are my go-tos for this routine. I love how they leave my hair. I feel like you can tell my hair is looking shiny once it's rinsed out. This shampoo and conditioner just never miss. All right, let's get into the funnest part. We're at my vanity and it's styling time. I don't know about you, but styling is always my favorite part of wash day, just seeing how these curls come out. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is how my hair is looking straight out of my microfiber towel. I feel like you guys can tell it's very, very shiny. I'm just gonna go ahead and re-wet that with my spray bottle because I am the type of person that I need to style on damp hair to get the best results. This is one of the biggest tips I can give you. Make sure that you're re-wetting your hair. Another thing I like to do is part my hair into two big sections and break them down into smaller sections. It just makes sure every curl gets some love. I'm first starting off with the Awestruck Definition Cream. Honestly, I love this. This is a new release from Curlsmith and it's one of my favorite products right now. It smells amazing and it's just so lightweight, but it still gives my curls definition. Not only can it be used with other products, but it works great on its own for keeping that definition, keeping that hold. It's one of my favorites right now, like I said. I'm taking a little bit of the cream and applying that through each section with my fingers first, and then I grab my brush and gently work it through from roots to ends. Then I'm using my brush to style and just look at these curl clumps pop. What? My curls react so well to this cream. They just bring so much life back into them. I'm telling you guys, you have to try it. It's so, so good. Some of the key ingredients it has is mushroom blend, which helps with frizz and volume. And it also has hyaluronic acid, which y'all know to lock in moisture. It's perfect for keeping curls hydrated. I just repeat this all over my head, small section by small section, until every curl is covered. Any pieces that are being stubborn, I do like to finger coil them a little bit, as you can see here. And also I like to take my Curlsmith microfiber towel and just scrunch out any excess product, any excess moisture, just so that it makes the diffusing process easier for me. Just this extra step helps to reduce my drying time when I'm diffusing. Now that my curls are all coated with the cream and looking shiny and defined, it's time for the in-shower style fixer. This has been a product that I have loved for years. I kid you not. Go back on my past videos and you will know this is such a goodie. This step really locks in the shape and helps my curls just last longer. I take a generous amount and smooth it over each section using the praying hands and gently scrunch at the end. It's lightweight, so it doesn't weigh my hair down, but it still gives me that perfect hold that keeps my curls intact. And let me tell you guys, I kid you not, my hair will last me 6+ days using this gel. Like, it's that good. It's perfect, especially if you have color treated hair like me that can get pretty frizzy. But I went ahead and diffused my hair. It took me about 30 minutes and these are my results, guys. Like, what? Tell me this isn't so gorgeous. There was honestly a time I never thought I'd get results like this, but putting in the time and love really pays off. I'm literally proof. Curlsmith has truly become my go-to for every step of my routine. I know I can trust them to give my curls the hydration, definition, and shine they need. It's like my curls can feel it. The more care you give them, the more they give back. And I just love seeing each curl pop with definition and shine. I think you can definitely tell some love has been put into this hair. Honestly, this routine makes me feel so confident. I just know that I'm gonna get the results that I need, that my hair needs every time. It's very simple, it's consistent. I don't really have to put so much thought into it. If you like my routine and you like my results, I'm gonna go ahead and add all of the products down below in the description box so you can check out for yourself. You can shop them directly from Ulta through YouTube because these results are too good not to share with you guys. Like, are you kidding? But I hope you guys enjoyed enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. Go down below and subscribe to my channel. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.